Question 25. A bowl of fruit contains 17 apples, of which 9 are red and 8 are green. Dennis takes one apple at random and eats it. Margaret also takes an apple at random and eats it. By drawing a probability tree diagram or otherwise, find the probability that Dennis and Margaret eat apples of the same color. Now, in situations like this, it doesn't matter whether it's two people choosing an apple each or one person choosing 2 apples. And the question is basically still the same. What is the probability of choosing 2 apples of the same color? And we're going to represent this with a tree diagram. So I'm just going to start it here. Our first choice, we can choose a red or a green. And our second choice, we can again choose red and green, and red and green, independent of what our first choice was. We can still choose a red or a green. However, the probabilities will differ. This is probability without replacement. So these are dependent events, in other words. In other words, your second choice depends on the probability of the second choice depends on what you got in the first choice. Now, originally we have 17 apples in the bowl. So the probabilities are going to be over 17. There are 9 red and there are 8 green. So the probability will be 9 on 17 for red, 8 on 17 for green. Now for the second choice, we've now depleted the bowl by 1 apple. So these are going to be probabilities over 16. So we've chosen 1 red apple already, which means we now have 1 less red apple. So that'll be 8 on 16 for the second red apple, or to choose the second red apple. Green apples though are still the same in terms of the number of apples. We have 8 green apples. 8 plus 8 gives us 16. That's 16 apples in the bowl. Now if we've chosen a green apple, the red apples are still the same number as originally, which is 9. However, we've already chosen a green apple, so instead of having 8 apples, we now have 7. So the 2 probabilities that we're looking for, the 2 favorable events that we're looking for, are the red reds or the green green. So they're the 2 apples that are the same color. So probability of red red is equal to 9 on 17 multiplied by 8 on 16. Probability of green green is equal to 8 on 17 multiplied by 7 on 16. What we do then is we add those 2 together. So the probability of red red or green green is equal to 9 on 17 multiplied by 8 on 16 plus 8 on 17 multiplied by 7 on 16. Let's do that now. Okay, so 9 on 17 multiplied by 8 on 16 plus 8 on 17 multiplied by 7 on 16. And we get 8 on 17 as the probability.